Charleston. Mason from Hughes Event Rentals here. The topic of today's short video is do it yourself by purchasing your event rental items or renting. What are the true costs of DIY compared to renting from a company like Hughes Event Rentals? So if you're planning a party and you're wondering if you should buy everything yourself, let's talk dollars and cents, folks. DIY versus renting, which is truly the smarter choice for your wallet and your time. Now, I admire the DIY spirit, but let's be real. Buying all your own event equipment can be a huge investment. Some of the costs for a decent tent alone would set you back thousands of dollars. In fact, the price of a 20 by 20 frame tent with all the equipment is $3,000. Then there's the tables, chairs, and linen. It adds up fast. The 6-foot banquet tables are around $100. The chairs are $25 a piece at least. 100 of those would be $2,500. And don't forget the cost of quality linens. Now let's compare the costs of renting versus DIY using the example of a 100-person wedding. Guests need seats at tables. If it's outdoors, you definitely need a tent unless you're in a gambling mood, which I don't suggest. The tent would be, for the DIY scenario, $3,000. 10 6-foot rectangular banquet tables would be $1,000. 100 white poly chairs, $2,500. Linens, $400. That's $6,900, almost $7,000 to buy it yourself. Now let's compare that to renting from Hughes. The tent's $600. The 10 tables would be $130 at $13 a piece. 100 chairs would cost $300. Linens, $100. That's $1,130. Now that's just the cost, the financial cost in dollars. Now we have to account for your valuable time and even more valuable sanity. You have much better things to do than figuring out where, what, and how to buy these things. Shopping for them, pricing them, ordering, paying for them, receiving, managing, deploying, cleaning, removing, and storing this equipment are all factors you have to consider. You see me here in my warehouse, it's very important. If you were going to rent a storage unit for this stuff, that's another monthly expense. You can't forget about the maintenance, the cleaning, and the potential repairs. That's what we take care of for you. Consider skipping the entire DIY process and making either one phone call or one click to submit a quote and get that for you have a 100-person event, 20 by 20 tent, the tables, the chairs for $1,100. Comparing that to how much it would cost to buy and deal with, you get the best part of renting, which is giving the stuff back as well. Now, you're welcome to pick up yourself at our 2300 Clements Ferry location. That's at no charge, or you can let us handle the delivery, setup, and takedown for a reasonable delivery charge. It starts at $125, goes by proximity, complexity of the deal, other factors. No storage headaches for you, no maintenance worries. Just show up and enjoy your event. So before you max out your credit card on DIY supplies, consider the convenience and cost effectiveness of renting from Hughes. We'll help you create a stunning event without breaking the bank. We'll make you look better. Need help deciding? Contact us today. Again, you can either call us or you can request a quote online. We're here to make your event dreams a reality without the DIY drama. So there you have it, folks. While DIY can definitely be a tempting alternative, crunching the numbers often reveals that renting from Hughes Event Rentals or a company like us is often the more financially savvy and convenient option for most events. We handle the logistics. We provide the high quality rentals. We allow you to focus on creating a memorable celebration. Thanks for spending your time with us. Please hit the like, subscribe, notification buttons below. And if you have any questions that you'd like us to cover in future videos, put them in the comments below and we'd be happy to do that. Thanks for spending your time with us. We really appreciate you and look forward to talking to you soon. Hughes, baby.